Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Home Assistant Cloud for EV charger control, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Home Assistant Cloud for EV charger control, begin by ensuring you have a Home Assistant account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Home Assistant website. Log into your Home Assistant account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the configuration section on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to open the Integrations page. In the Integrations search bar, type Home Assistant Cloud. Select Home Assistant Cloud from the search results. Click on the Configure button. You will be prompted to enter your account credentials for cloud authentication. Input your email address and password associated with your Home Assistant account. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once authenticated, you should see a status indicating a successful connection. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard. Locate the Automations tab in the sidebar. Click on Add Automation to create a new automation for your EV charger. Select the option Start with an empty automation. Give your automation a descriptive name, such as EV charger control. Choose a trigger type, such as time or charge status. For the action, select Call Service. In the service field, type ev_charger.set_control. Once your automation is set, click the Save button to store it. Test the automation to ensure it works as intended by triggering the defined event. Monitor the dashboard for any notifications related to your EV charger. Adjust the automation settings as necessary for optimal performance. Your Home Assistant Cloud is now authenticated, allowing you to control your EV charger effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.